Has your garage door come off its hinges, possibly due to forceful opening or worn-out parts? A door off its hinges isn't just inconvenient, it's a security risk. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. If you're in the Shellharbour area, help is close at hand. Call our experienced team of garage door repair professionals at 0409774111. We specialize in quickly and safely restoring garage doors to their proper function, ensuring they're secure and operating smoothly. Contact us today and secure your garage without delay.